Good day, everyone. My name is Andrei Bolan. I'm a third year student from Bicol University's College of Science, currently taking up a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. Before starting my internship at StraStan Solutions, my academic background was focused on foundational software engineering principles. I had a good grasp of object oriented programming, Java development, and the theories behind backend architecture and database normalization. However, I knew there was a gap between theory and practice. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would have rated my confidence in my practical technical skills at around a 4 or a 5. I was honestly quite nervous and a bit scared, wondering if my academic knowledge would be enough to handle the task in a professional environment like Strastan. My main expectation was to bridge that gap to finally apply what I'd learned to a real complex project using this OJT opportunity at Strastan. So, my main project that was given to us was the HR comprehensive system, a complete serverless backend architecture. One of the initial challenges was translating the high level business requirements for modules like employee management, organization management, time management, and of course, payroll management into a concrete technical architecture. So, this is where the guidance from my mentors like Sir John and even Sir Math and of course the whole Strastan team was invaluable. We were provided with detailed implementation plans and schemas which acted as our blueprint and guide. This structured approach taught me the importance of clear documentation and planning before writing a single line of code, allowing us to build the system module by module with confidence. So, looking back, the technical growth has been advanced. On that same 1 to 10 scale, I would now rate my skills overall at a solid 7 or 8. What I enjoyed learning the most was the core serverless stack that we use. So it was AWS Cognito, API Gateway Lambda, API Gateway and Lambda, and DynamoDB. There's a real elegance to how they integrate, with Cognito handling the user authentication and security, API Gateway managing the RESTful endpoints, and Lambda running the business logic. So I could focus entirely on solving HR problems without ever worrying about managing servers. Designing the single table schemas in DynamoDB for the personal and organizational tables was a particularly rewarding challenge. The most difficult but also the most enlightening topic was shifting from a simple synchronous API to an asynchronous, event driven architecture. Learning to think in terms of events using services like EventBridge, SQS, and SNS was a major shift. For example, we designed advanced use cases for this. One was a cascade update when an employee is deleted. A stream from DynamoDB triggers a Lambda. Then, that Lambda publishes an event that says that an employee has been deleted to an event bridge, which routes it to an SNS topic. That topic then finds out the message to multiple SQS queues, which are each consumed by a microservice responsible for a specific cleanup task, like removing the employee from a department's manager field. This ensures that downstream updates are decoupled, reliable, and can be automatically retired if they fail. Overall, I absolutely see myself using these skills in my future career. This internship wasn't just about learning AWS services in isolation. It was learning how to compose them to build secure, scalable, and cost-efficient systems. It prepared me for a real-world corporate environment by teaching me the entire development lifecycle, from infrastructure as a code with the AWS Cloud Development Kit to writing secure and transactional Lambda functions, and even to creating professional API documentation in Postman. I can say with certainty that this internship has dramatically increased my chances of getting hired. I'm now confident, or a bit confident, I should say, that I can walk into a technical interview for an AWS Cloud Developer role and not just define what SQS is, but describe a real world architectural pattern where it's used to guarantee reliable asynchronous processing. This practical experience has fundamentally enhanced my academic foundations, turning theoretical knowledge into tangible skill. So I want to extend my deepest gratitude To my mentors, Sir John and even Sir Math, and of course, the entire StraStan Solutions team, your guidance, patience, and commitment to providing a hands-on learning experience have been incredible. Thank you for this amazing opportunity. To my co-interns, even though it was a hard journey for us, it was a pleasure working and learning alongside you all. Thank you.